Hey, Crystal with Miss Multifamily and Self-Storage. Why do I love multifamily for my investors and for myself? Well, let me tell you a story. 2.5 years ago, my team bought a property in Lexington, South Carolina, 42 unit for $1.64 million. It needed $300,000 worth of work, so we were all in for $1.94 million. Fast forward 2 years of renovations, getting a better tenant base, raising rents, stabilizing the property, getting the property profitable. Now it brings in $33,000 a month, where when we bought it, it was bringing in $22,000 a month. Now we go back to the bank, say, hey, look what we've done. This property is worth a ton more. The bank says, we agree with you, gives us a valuation of $2.65 million, which gives us a new loan for $1.9875. So remember, our all-in cost was $1.94 million. So we were able to take the money from the bank with the new loan and give all of the $450,000 that we raised from investors to buy this property, gave all the investors back their money. Keep in mind, they've been making preferred returns, making interest on their money the whole 2 years. Then they get all of their initial money back. Now our property is free and clear with just a bank loan on it, and now it cash flows $7,000 to $8,000 a month that goes out to our investors and out to the general partners. Win with multifamily.